This is a very quick video with no fluff on our track lighting connector. It is just a quick overview and just one video of our extensive video collection. Check out all of our track lighting videos for detailed and in-depth explanations and troubleshooting. We hope it helps to improve or confirm your understanding of the H-style track lighting system. We want you to be well informed before you start your project. Now let's get right to it. This is probably our most common connector for track lighting. It's called a mini joiner, and it simply joins two pieces of track together. So you have a track here and a track on the other side, and the only part that's really exposed is this little part that stops the track. So it's really tiny. It goes all the way into both sides of the track, so you can give an idea there. So it's a little bitty connector. It comes with a UL label here on the back. We're going to take it off because it's going to get fouled inside the track and cause us problems. So the track is all UL approved. There is UL stickers on everything. Also on the top, I want to mention while I'm right here is these little set screws, and these are made to screw into the track and basically just make a dimple in the track. If you screw them in too far, it's going to push the sides of the track out, and you don't want that. It won't make contact properly with the little bus bars that are on the inside. So make sure you don't use power tools here. The track fittings aren't made for power tools. When you have a piece of track, you know where your ground is because the ground's here on this side. There's a ground here, the neutral's above it, and the hot's on the other side. So you want to make sure that your fitting is going in correctly. So let's look underneath here. Well, here we go. Here's the ground. Above it's the neutral, and there's the hot on the other side. Now we know, because I know the ground is on this side, I know that this fitting is going to slide right into this connector. There's the ground, and the ground is here. Now, if you turn this fitting around, now the ground is on the other side. It's over here, but this track doesn't have ground on this side. So it's not going to go in. And we get calls going, the connector is junk, it won't go in, it doesn't fit. Take your connector, turn it around. That's all you need to do. Simple as that. So little mini joiner, a very simple piece, joins two pieces of track together. It's part of our very extensive track lighting system. Don't need to take anything apart at all. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions on our products, please feel free to ask us. Use this email address for quick communication, support@totallightingsupply.com. We answer product questions all day long, Monday through Friday. However, if you ask questions on YouTube, it may be some time before we see it. Our videos are designed as an overview of our products, and we recommend hiring a qualified electrician for your project to ensure a safe installation. And as always, see the description for links to our website. See the product description on our website for important details, as well as updates and specifications. Also, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any new product information. We offer information, such as this video, and a level of service you will not find anywhere else. Consider using us for your project needs. All of us at Total Lighting Supply hope to hear from you soon.